Did you know that you can start working towards your medical career in the US while you're still on your second year of your medical school? Yes, that's right. If you have ever dreamed of practicing medicine in the US, now is the right time to start the preparation. Today we are talking about the USMLE or United States Medical Licensing Examination. So let's break it down for you. But wait. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We cover all things healthcare migration and course preparation, and you definitely don't want to miss out on the latest information, tips and strategies. What exactly is the USMLE? The USMLE is a three-step examination process required for medical licensure in the United States. It is designed to assess a physician's ability to apply essential medical knowledge and principles for safe and effective practice. Let's start with USMLE Step 1. This part of the exam evaluates your understanding of basic science principles. Topics include anatomy, biochemistry, pathology, and pharmacology. It is a multiple choice test typically taken after your preclinical years of medical school. Next up is USMLE Step 2, which focuses on applying medical knowledge to clinical scenarios. It includes both multiple choice questions covering internal medicine, surgery, pediatrics, and more. You can take this step during your final year or during your internship. Finally, USMLE Step 3 assesses your ability to manage patients independently. It includes multiple choice questions and computer-based case simulations. You can only take Step 3 after completing at least 1 year of postgraduate training. Here are some key facts to keep in mind. You can take Step 1 and Step 2 in any sequence, but you must pass both before taking Step 3. You have up to 4 attempts for each USMLE step. Step 1 results are reported as pass or fail with no numerical scores. There are 345 USMLE exam centers in the US and Canada with about 100 international centers. You can complete steps 1 and 2 while still in your undergraduate medical degree. So if you are in your second year of medical school and considering a career in the US, taking the USMLE is a fantastic step forward. Make sure to prepare thoroughly and reach out for guidance with Academically. Academically offers USMLE preparation course for Step 1 and 2 where you can get everything you need to pass the USMLE on your first attempt. If you have any doubts, any questions, any queries, you can connect directly with the expert at the MedConnect with Dr. Akram event happening across various cities. Don't miss out, and this is Suridhi Shai signing off.